Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial. We have some brand new products here to play with. We have our new sticker stencils. These are bottles, so we've got 4 in each pack. This is set 10 and set 11. And they're much smaller than the ones we've used before, as you can see from this card. So they're great for making tiny little dinky cards. So we're going to be using some of those today. We've also got these beautiful vintage stickers. These are herb stickers to go onto the bottles. I'll show you what I've been making in a minute, but whether you can see those, but they're absolutely beautiful. And they work perfectly on the bottles, so we are super excited about those as well. We are revisiting our lovely Dreamscape papers. This is the Enchanted Forest collection, which really lends itself to some of the cards that I'm going to be creating. So beautiful vintage sort of colours and patterns. So, shall we get started? Actually, I'll show you these first because I've been busy creating these. And you can see how lovely they are with those stickers on. But they really do make some nice little dinky cards there. And that's using some of our new stamps as well, the herbs. And that one as well. So we are going to be creating this one today. So I already cut a piece of paper from the Dreamscape papers, and we shall grab our bottle sticker stencil, and we're just going to place that down in the centre but towards the bottom. Make sure you give it a good firm press down, and that stops any ink from creeping under. And then I've got myself some different colours here. Going to be using the olive as well. I'm taking the medium size stencil brush. Because these are small, I just need to keep that bit of detail. I don't want too much coverage, so I'll go with that medium size. And all we're doing is going all the way around. Now you can see I'm keeping that centre bit a little bit lighter because we're going to try to make the image look as three-dimensional as possible. And then I'm going to take the VersaFine and a tiny stencil brush, and I'm just going to go around the very edge. Let's just take that off, and you can see already how that gives that illusion just by really darkening that edge, keeping the centre light. I'm going to highlight a little bit more after, but in the meantime we are going to put some rosemary on there, and then I'm inking up in the Shady Lane, and I'm just going to bob a little bit of that rosemary in and around there. And we've got our lovely cork here as well. Now this works with all the bottles, okay, so the neck there is the same width on all the bottles, so this will fit perfectly on all of them. So I'm going to place that down like so. And now I'm going to go back to the rosemary. And I'm just going to pop some of this about. We're going to darken the edge now, so I'm going to use the pine cones for this one. Now you can use the VersaFine Clair or you can use the elements just to darken the edge, that's entirely up to you. Just want to bring in a little bit of depth around the edge. And then I'm going to go back to the black and take in the small stencil brush. I'm just going to ground this glass bottle. And let's have a look what words we've got here. I've got some rosemary words, and I'm going to ink in the Shady Lane. Then I'm just going to pop that just in the background there, just very softly. Okay. Now we want to give that sort of illusion again of that three-dimensional bottle. So I've got some acrylic paint here, some of our chalk paint. This is Snow White, and I'm going to pop a little bit down, and then taking a brush and a little bit of water, and the good thing about that, you can blend it out. If you feel like it's a little bit too bright while it's wet, just blend it out a little. Okay. So we'll go around the very edge using the white Posca pen at the end. So now let's grab our lovely vintage stickers. I'm going to pick a round one for this, and then you just need to sort of gauge it the best you can. There we go. So give that a good press down now. And we're going to go around the edge with the white Posca. So first of all, I'm going to just highlight the top of the bottle. Now you can use a Posca pen, or you can use another fine white pen. And I'm just going to do a little bit that side as well. And then we've got our base. We're going to use our very fine nibbed pen. We're just going to create some little bubbles. Now have a play about with it. You can pop wherever you want in the bottles. Right, what's next? I'm going to grab, let's grab this one. This is great actually. This is a black Sakura pen which has got like a glaze on it, so it gives you an incredibly jet black finish, and it has a little bit of a glaze, as I say, on it. And I'm just going to highlight those darker areas. You only need a little bit. It all helps to just sort of 3D that image. See, it makes quite a difference just by doing that. You just can't talk while you're doing it. Okay, I'm going to dry this off. And then lastly, I've got the Quickie glue pen here. Now you can see from this one, it's got that lovely bit of copper foil around the edge. So all I've done is gone around the edge of the sticker. So again, just carefully follow the edge of that sticker all the way around. And then we need to leave that dry for a bit. And then we attach the foil to it. So, let's pop that down, leave that for a bit, come back and do the foil. Okay, so that's now tacky. So I'm going to pop the foil over the top. And I'm going to go around the edge using my nail to guide where the sticker is. Make sure that we press nice and firmly. And don't worry if you've missed a bit, because you can always go back and add a bit more, so that's fine. Okay, let's see what we've got. Put that more there. And there we go, that's covered most of it, as you can see. But I think that's really effective. So, a nice, quick, easy card to achieve using those bottle sticker stencils and also our fabulous new little stickers. So I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, guys, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.